Hey there, I'm Josh. We're down here at the powder show. Working with UniTrak. I'm the U.S. sales manager. And so, yeah, we're just down here. We're showcasing some of our equipment. We have here one of our bucket elevators. So it's a interlocking design, so it's spillage free. It's we can do dust tight systems. We can do explosion ratings. We can do food. We can do pretty much anything you can imagine in these systems. They're very quiet, as you can see. You can't hear them over all the people talking here, which is great. They're really low energy consumption systems, so they're fantastic if you are trying to get some green energy initiatives. But yeah, we've been making these since 1969, so we're well versed in this, and we have had tons of success in many different industries. Um, yeah, so that's our main system, and that's what we're showcasing and trying to promote today.